Adopting the partner and not the promoter mindset. You don't need promoters, you need partners. Let's talk mindset because before we talk about tools, automation, payouts, or performance tracking, we need to address a foundational flaw that breaks most affiliate systems before they even start. Most brands see affiliates as promoters when they should be seeing them as partners. And the moment you treat someone like a disposable link poster, they act like one. They promote once, maybe twice, and then silence. Because let's be honest, no one likes feeling like a cog in someone else's machine. No one wants to share a link with zero context, support, or story. And no one feels motivated to go all in on a brand that doesn't value them. The mindset is what kills affiliate momentum. Now, here is the flip side. And this is where the real opportunity lies. When you shift from treating your affiliates as promoters to partners, everything changes. They take ownership of your product, they embed it into their community, their content, their business. They want to learn, promote, optimize, and scale with you. And that's when affiliate marketing becomes a growth engine, not a short term tactic. Let us take a real world example. Go High Level didn't call them affiliates, they called them SaaS pioneers. They said, this isn't just a link, this is a business you can build on your platform. Oh, sorry, this is a business you can build on our platform. Result, affiliates felt empowered, invested, and in control. And some of them made more money from referrals than from their own agency services. That's the partner, not promoter mindset in action. So, how to build that mindset? How to build the partner mindset in you and your program? Let's break this down into three powerful mindset upgrades you will adopt in this course. Number one is shift from how they can help me to how can I help them. So when you approach affiliates like salespeople, you are thinking transactionally. But when you ask, how can I make this person more successful with or without me? You unlock loyalty, creativity, and long term wins. So ask yourself, what templates, swipe files, and assets can I give them? What community recognition and rewards can I build around them? What systems like automated onboarding, fast payouts, live dashboards can make their life easier? And in the Made Easy framework, this is where the D, that is design, and E, that is equip and engage, comes in. Number two is start building relationship equity. Affiliate marketing is not B2B, it's H to H, human to human. Your top affiliates will give you feedback, ask for support, share what's working, and refer new affiliates. So start showing up for them like you would for a joint venture partner. Inside this course, we will create an affiliate onboarding sequence, a community leaderboard, monthly shoutouts and rewards, a founding partner welcome pack. And when people feel seen, they stick. Number three, empower affiliates to become brand builders. This is the ultimate shift. You are not hiring mouthpieces. You are building a tribe of co-creators. And with tools like Canva, ChatGPT, and Creatify, you can equip affiliates to create branded reels, launch their own mini webinars, host live demos, or embed your product inside their own offers. This is how Go High Level created an army of white label resellers. This is how ClickFunnels created the dream car community. And this is how you will build a system that runs without you being everywhere. So, the real growth does not come from promotion, it comes from partnership. So, here's the mindset I want you to walk away with. Don't build an affiliate list, build a team. Don't give people a link, give them a lane to grow their business inside yours. When you treat your affiliates like partners, they show up like partners. They build with you, they sell for you, they grow with you. And that, my friend, is the foundation of the Made Easy system. It's not about giving away commissions. It's about building a scalable, supportable, win-win growth machine, one partner at a time. Let's go build the strategy behind your success.